Are you tired of counting calories and feeling hungry all the time? We have a solution for you. In this video, we'll show you a 7-day Mediterranean meal plan that is both healthy and delicious, with each meal containing 1,200 calories and packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized. Day 1. Start your day with a Mediterranean-style omelet packed with veggies and feta cheese for a satisfying breakfast. For lunch, try our delicious chickpea salad with roasted red peppers and feta cheese. And for dinner, indulge in a flavorful grilled salmon with Greek yogurt sauce and roasted vegetables. Day 2. For breakfast, we have a delicious Greek yogurt parfait with fresh berries and granola. For lunch, try our veggie-packed Mediterranean quinoa bowl with hummus and lemon tahini dressing. And for dinner, we have a classic Mediterranean dish, chicken souvlaki with tea tzatziki sauce and a Greek salad on the side. Day 3. Start your day with a flavorful Mediterranean-style egg and spinach breakfast wrap. For lunch, we have a mouth-watering Mediterranean stuffed bell pepper with lean ground turkey, couscous, and veggies. And for dinner, enjoy a delicious and hearty roasted vegetable pasta dish with feta cheese. Day 4. For breakfast, try our Greek-style yogurt smoothie bowl with bananas and almonds. For lunch, we have a savory Mediterranean-style stuffed sweet potato with feta cheese, hummus, and veggies. And for dinner, we have a mouth-watering grilled Mediterranean chicken with roasted veggies and a quinoa salad on the side. Day 5. Start your day with a protein-packed spinach and feta omelet. For lunch, we have a refreshing Mediterranean-style tuna salad with veggies and hummus. And for dinner, indulge in a satisfying vegetarian Mediterranean-style stuffed eggplant with quinoa and feta cheese. Day 6. For breakfast, try our delicious Greek-style yogurt pancakes with blueberries and almonds. For lunch, we have a mouth-watering Mediterranean-style veggie burger with hummus and avocado. And for dinner, enjoy a flavorful roasted salmon with lemon dill sauce and roasted veggies on the side. Day 7. Start your day with a delicious Mediterranean-style avocado toast with eggs and feta cheese. For lunch, we have a refreshing Mediterranean-style cucumber and tomato salad with quinoa and feta cheese. And for dinner, indulge in a flavorful Mediterranean-style shrimp and pasta with garlic and olive oil. There you have it, a complete 7-day Mediterranean meal plan that is both delicious and healthy, with each meal containing 1,200 calories and packed with nutrients to keep you feeling full and energized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes.